it's Tara here again. Let's see what question we have for today. Having too much hair in a system can be a little bit of a problem sometimes, but there are a lot of great solutions. Number one, it's determined on what density of the system you're ideally looking for. If you're looking for a system that has higher durability, you are going to end up with a system with a lot more density. This, however, can be thinned out during your service with your technician. She can thin out the system to make it ideal for you. Also, during the first week or two, the system can look a little bit more puffy or fluffy, as people say, which will settle down with the weeks that you are wearing the system. Ideally, if you really do feel that the system is too thick for your liking, you can look at all our other various systems we have online to find something that's more suitable with a thinner density for you. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye!